In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your screen on Google Meet. Whether you need to give a presentation, walk through a document with colleagues, or collaborate on a project, screen sharing can be an invaluable tool, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. To get started, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and type in meet.google.com. Alternatively, you can simply launch your Google Meet app if you have it installed on your device. This will take you to the main page of Google Meet where you can easily join or start a meeting. Once you're on the Google Meet homepage, you'll see an option that says enter a code or link. Click on this option, which will allow you to join a specific meeting if you have the meeting link or code handy. After entering the code or clicking the link, proceed by clicking on the join button to enter the meeting. If the meeting is set up to require approval, you might see a button labeled ask to join. In this case, click on that and you'll be admitted once the host approves your request. After joining the meeting, you will be inside the Google Meet session, ready to start screen sharing. Look towards the bottom of your screen and you'll see a button labeled Present Now. Click on this to begin the process of sharing your screen with others in the meeting. At this point, Google Meet will present you with three options: a tab, a window, or your entire screen. It's important to choose the right option based on what you need to share. For example, if you want to show specific content from a browser tab, choose a tab. If you aim to present a program or document that's open in a separate window, choose a window. And if you want to present everything visible on your screen, choose your entire screen. Once you've made your selection, click on the specific tab, window, or screen you wish to present, and you'll notice a preview of what will be shared. After confirming that you have selected the correct item, click Share to start presenting it to all participants in the meeting. When you've finished presenting your content, stopping the screen share is just as straightforward. Simply click on Stop Sharing to end the session. Remember, if someone else is already presenting, you can still share your screen. Starting your presentation will pause theirs temporarily, allowing you to showcase your content. By following these clear steps, you will be able to share your screen smoothly and efficiently on Google Meet. This capability not only enhances your ability to communicate ideas, but also makes collaboration much more dynamic when you're engaging with others via this platform.